What's going on?
What do you have to fight in the kitchen?
This one assaulted me first.
She shoved me first, and I hit her back.
I'm not
lying.
lying.
And if she hit me again, well, you know what? There was a girl in the kitchen, the cook, who seen it, and it was because she was in there calling me a. What did you say about me?
Saying anything.
Tell me that. Yes, you did.
I was talking to myself.
Okay. We're done yelling.
A restaurant kitchen, 2 co-workers, 1 argument about tips, and only one of them walks out in handcuffs. April 3rd, 2025, Plaquemines Parish, Louisiana. Officers respond to a reported fight between employees.
Yeah.
Jesus.
What happened? Let me get your side of the story.
I was in the back of the kitchen writing a check. Okay, she's up there bragging. I made $400 in tips today. Woo, I'm like, okay, congratulations. Shut the f up. You know, you constantly get to walk around here. You don't show up. You don't do your job. And he's sitting there instigating it. How much did you make? Brag, brag, brag. So I'm sitting there under my breath. Nobody gives a f. She loses it. I'm in the back kitchen writing a check. And Cheryl, watch it. She lunged at me.
Who's Cheryl?
The girl in the back in the kitchen.
Okay.
She lunged at me, and so I started defending myself. I swear I did not hit her first.
Okay.
I know better. I'm not dumb. I didn't hit her first. And I will press charges. I have a busted. I've been assaulted in this place of business, and there was nothing done about it.
Okay.
Okay? It's enough. These people, they're horrible people. That one right over there sitting there with a smirk on her face. I'm done. All I said, she's sitting up there bragging, and I said, no one gives a. I get in trouble for running my mouth, but she's allowed to.
You got your ID on you?
It doesn't make sense.
Hello. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I need to speak with whoever saw.
I didn't see nothing. I was
I
next
guess
to
one of the other people who work back here.
Yeah, I'll send them out just.
That was me.
Oh, was you? Okay.
That was me.
All right. So what the hell happened?
Okay, first thing I know, I'm sitting back there, and Sydney, the darker-haired girl, comes to bring me a ticket.
Okay.
And she's trying to write it down, and Sabrina comes running in the kitchen. I'll tell you not to talk shit about me. And Sydney said, get out of my face.
Okay.
And the next thing I know, I'm washing the fryer. The next thing I know, I hear Sydney go, you will not put your hands on me like that. And then they started fighting. Sabrina brought her down to the floor by her hair and started hitting her. Sydney was on her knees. Sabrina was wailing her. Pretty good.
Okay. I might have to get a statement from you, but I'll be right back, okay? I'm here. So I talked to the other lady that, I guess, witness heard it. She said you guys were arguing. Sydney said, you won't put your hands on me. And next thing she knows, you guys are going at it on the fuck floor.
Yeah, because she shoved me.
Then why does she say you're not going to put her hands on? You aren't going to put your hands on her.
She shoved me first, officer. I'm grown enough to know not to put my hands on anybody first.
Okay.
And she was back there talking shit about me.
Okay. Well, if you're going to say that she hit you first, and she's going to say you hit her first, chances are I'm going to talk to both of you, and it's either A, you can both go to jail for battery.
Okay, well, I didn't put my hands on her first.
Okay, well, as of right now, since obviously there are probably no cameras in there,
There's not.
so it's a he said, she said, and the only other person that saw it saw the ending of it with you having her on the ground wailing in the head.
No, I had her on the ground holding her down off of me because she was punching me in the face.
Okay.
So what was I supposed to do with you? Just let her sit there and punch me?
Like I said, that's just what I'm being told. Okay?
I just told him the same thing.
Okay.
You want her arrested?
I do. I got to stand up for myself.
Stay right there. I'm gonna close this a little bit, Sydney. Okay. So what are they saying now? They're saying that I guess she told Sydney to go home. Sydney didn't. And then I guess they went back into the kitchen. That's where all the shit ensued. The other lady said that she heard Sydney tell her not to put her hands on her. She turned around to look at the fryer. Next thing she knows, they're on the floor. But then she's also saying that Sydney put her hands on her first. And with there being no cameras and no one actually witnessing it, it's a he said, she said. So it's either they both go to jail or get signed complaints against both of them.
She's saying
that Sydney started it. Sydney's saying she started it.
Well, I think the way she explains it, I think they were heckling her, the way it sounds a little bit. Sydney said, shut the up, and she said that's when this lady came at her. She said, I didn't hit her first. I know better.
Yeah.
She said, I was trying to cover it. She said, she just kept hitting me, and I was trying to cover up my face to defend myself.
Right.
So, what kind of marks does she have on her?
I didn't really get a look at her yet. I think some facial marks.
What's her hands look like? Her knuckles?
Red. I'll just look at your injuries real quick.
And a 9, and a 6, and a 5.
You just hold your hands out like that. Just like this. Yeah.
First gear, give us 20.
Okay.
You will not talk shit about me. This is Sydney's face. The next thing I know, I'm looking this way. The next thing I know, I hear Sydney go, you will not touch me like that, and then pushes Sabrina backwards.
Okay.
The next thing I know, they're pushing on each other, and they end up in front of this cooler right here. Then Sabrina has Sydney in the floor by the hair of her head and wailing her in the face.
You heard her say, touch me like that?
You got statements?
Yeah.
I mean, her story basically lines up with what the cook's saying.
What she's thinking, yeah. So, I assume that, because she said, she's like, I didn't touch her first.
Okay.
You know, she said, I was just covering up my, she said, she just kept hitting me and hitting me. I was trying to cover up my face to defend myself. That's what she said. So, I mean, at this point, if she wants to sign a complaint, then she's going to go. If that's what you want to do.
Oh, that's fine. Cindy, do you want to press charges against her, or you just want to leave?
No, I want to press charges, please.
Okay. All right. I'm going to have you sign a complaint form, and then I'll have to have you fill out a statement, okay? All right. Go ahead and stand up, put your hands behind your back.
I'm going to jail?
Yep, you're going to jail for battery.
Is she going to jail for battery?
No.
How is that even possible?
I have someone who corroborates her story more than yours.
Are you kidding me? I'm a grown-ass woman. I know better than to put my hands on anybody.
That's something you can handle in court. If you'd like to fill out a statement on your side of the story, you can do that as well.
Wow.
You have anything on you I need to know about?
No.
Okay. Well, you got to ask anymore. What's your name?
Sabrina Diamond.
Okay.
Yes. You have stuff here? Do you have anything?
You can go ahead and step on that, that's fine. County on 5, 1 female, 1095.
Sabrina claims Sydney lunged at her first verbal provocation, then physical attack. Her position, she was defending herself. The problem a third person was in that kitchen, a cook who saw the whole thing. The cook's account, Sydney said, "Do not put your hands on me." Then Sabrina grabbed her by the hair, took her to the floor, and hit her in the face. The officer checked Sabrina's hands, both knuckles red. Physical evidence does not argue back. No cameras in the kitchen, 2 conflicting accounts, 1 witness who corroborated Sydney. The officer had what he needed. Under Louisiana Revised Statute 14:33 battery is the intentional use of force or violence upon another person. The key word, intentional. In Louisiana, consent is the primary defense against a battery charge. Once the witness corroborated Sydney's account, that defense evaporated. Sabrina's version could no longer stand alone. She kept talking, she kept explaining, neither helped. She had kids at home, things to take care of. The officer noted all of it, then continued booking.
I'm going to provide the cook with a statement form.
And Sydney?
And have Sydney fill one out.
Okay.
And then, I don't know what's their position. Did they say with her, she's asking me if she's fired? I'm like,
I can go ask. I guess Sydney's wanting to know her position with you guys, whether she's fired or not.
I don't have no idea what even happened. I wasn't here, so we'll just talk about it.
Okay. Well, like I said,
I'll talk to her.
okay. Well,
I have no idea. I don't know if the other guys seen what happened.
well,
but
she gave us a story that more or less corroborated Sydney. So
with Sydney same story. Okay.
your other workers, she's going to go to jail for right now.
Okay.
Whether she gets released or not, it's not up to me. She's going to get a ticket from me. She'll get a court date, and outside of that, it'll be determined later whether she goes to Plaquemines County or not.
Okay.
But that's right now. She's going to go to jail for now. Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Okay. Will she have her bond or she get out?
No. Her ticket will be her bond. If they don't take her down to Plaquemines County, she'll get released with her ticket and a court date. If she goes to Pulaski County, chances are she'll see a judge tomorrow.
Okay, so I'm sure a boy or want to know what's going on.
I asked her if she had anything here. She said she'd come back and get it later. So,
Okay.
alrighty.
Okay, thank you guys.
You're welcome. County F5, being right to post 1 female, beginning mileage 112001. 112001.
A felony or a misdemeanor?
I'd have to look at the statute.
This ain't even right. Not supposed to bond?
They'll make that determination down there. There's no cash bond anymore. So you'll either get released with a ticket and a court date, or you'll have to spend the night in Pulaski County.
I spend a night in jail?
Yep.
I got kids to go home to.
Officers grade A, 2 separate interviews, physical evidence documented, decision anchored to the corroborating witness. Under Graham versus Connor, officer conduct is judged on objective reasonableness at the moment of decision. Every call holds up. Sabrina Diamond grade D, account shifted multiple times, knuckles red. A witness placed her as the aggressor, not the victim. She then argued her case directly to the arresting officer. That carries 0 legal weight and only documented her behavior on camera. Under Louisiana revised statute, 14:35 simple battery is a misdemeanor. Up to 6 months imprisonment, fine up to $1,000. That is the charge now heading to court. Sydney grade B+. Consistent account, pressed charges, let the evidence carry the case. The right call. Key lesson in a mutual physical altercation who ends up in handcuffs is rarely about who struck first. It is about who the witness observed and what the physical evidence confirms. One corroborating witness converts a he said, she said into actionable evidence. That single shift changes what the officer is legally required to do. The right to remain silent applies at the scene, not just in custody. Arguing your account to the arresting officer documents your behavior. It changes nothing about the charge. That is the breakdown. Subscribe for more body cam analysis. Drop a comment, was the charge fair when both parties were involved?